in this video, we are going to be exploring the new map in Animal Company, the planetarium and the mines. And this is
and hello, it's Snubber here.
Yeah, that's Snubber
Snubber
X.
X
Go subscribe
Tagway.
to his channel. It's Snubber X. If you want to go subscribe to him, you should probably go and do that. Anyway, we are going to be exploring the new map and getting the new radioactive broccoli item.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's just go.
I don't have any items.
You get some.
Okay, fine.
Also, I'm gonna cover a new duplication glitch in another video, but like.
No! Get back here.
Probably will.
Go my right hip slot. There we go.
Yeah, you have a right hip slot there? Dang. Wait, no.
I'm bringing
all I'm bringing is a grappler,
yeah,
close like a pickaxe. Do you really need anything else?
I need to
get a stick. Do you want
I'll bring an impact grenade, some sticky ones, and
dang, he really loves bringing. He really likes
MRE.
To be honest. I'm gonna bring the lance because why not? But I'm gonna drop it eventually.
Wait, should we go?
You guys might say lance sucks, but no.
My game's very my screen. My screen's very glitchy because I'm recording.
Joined from the first video.
Bro. Wait, I'm pretty sure I have grappling hook in my inventory.
You probably get.
Yeah, I have one.
Get one. You guys might think the land sucks, but I like the lands. I think it's fun to be up your friends with.
Why am I holding the
monsters,
MRE?
it's just funny to kill your friends with, and makes your your surface area so big, which is actually kind of annoying. But you can run like this. Just hold your hands up, or you can just kind of.
Right there you go.
I'm gonna get something else. What about a pogo stick?
Wait, you own pogo sticks?
Yeah.
If I die, just get another grappler from the sewer.
Let's just go. I'll buy you one because I'm rich.
I don't care.
Bro! Okay, maybe I should chat. Well, not chat. Maybe I should start using my grappler a bit more. Bro!
Why am I dropping backwards? Oh, where's the right version?
I have no idea. Wait.
This isn't even on.
Maybe I should hold my protect out. Yeah, I don't need no pogo stick. Who needs a pogo stick? Not me.
I'm just skipping all these doors right now.
That's not a good investment.
And instead of like going there, I'm gonna go get this.
Found right, guys. Get down here.
I'm trying to play my dance.
Get down here. You don't need your amethyst. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Never mind. I'm gonna wait for Nibber.
Fine, I'm here.
There we go.
Why am I?
We get lots of
why am I holding this very awkward?
Probably. They're not touching this.
Oh yeah, it's. I think. Oh wait, it's the right side of this.
I don't know. I've never been to planetarium. Silver.
Oh wait, no, this. No, this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. This just leads to a dead end.
I wonder what the spider
is.
It's
the other way.
Oh,
I want to see if I can. Yeah. Just getting some.
Wait, in the slot. We need to. We're
down here.
We're trying to go to the planetarium right now. We get.
Oh yeah, it's up here. It's like this way. I remember a video watching it. It's down here. Yeah, it's here.
Oh my God. Where am I?
You're coming, Gary.
Yes,
I dropped my grappler.
And I'm not sure if he's recording right now, but go to his channel. Because I have no idea.
Oh, let's do this epic parkour.
Yeah, this is the new map. It looks pretty cool.
Oh, I'm doing the parkour.
I'm doing the parkour just like they'll just do that. Oh my God!
No. It's fine. Because we have grapplers. Yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend bringing your grappler or hover shield. This is the new map, the planetarium. Oh, I'm getting sucked in by the sun. Yeah.
Wait,
yeah, you do get sucked in by the sun. Yeah, because this is actually a solar system. Wait, I want to eat one. I've never eaten one. Oh, I'm big. I'm a big boy. Yum. Oh, I'm massive. I'm massive, just like the low table baby.
I'm really useful.
Oh, this grappler is tiny!
I'm gonna go get something.
massive just like the low taper fade meme. I'm massive just like the low taper fade meme. I'm massive just like the low taper fade meme.
This isn't.
Infinite.
I can't see it. Oh, wait, there we go. I'm going to survive first.
Guys, I'm so big. Duh. Oh, I'm massive just like the low taper fade meme. I'm massive just like the low taper fade. I'm massive just like the low taper fade meme right now. Oh, this is crazy. Wait, this is actually kind of crazy. Maybe I should eat some of this tiny broccoli. Make me smaller. Bit smaller! I'm massive just like the low taper fade meme.
Trip mine. Wait, what? It has physics. Wait, if I throw it, it fell to the void. It fell to nowhere.
A pickaxe. Oh! Yeah!
If I
There we go. Bro, that.
How long is
Yeah, so that was the radioactive bomb and it's too massive just like the low taper fade meme.
No, that's that
I think we've just looted this entire planet. Yeah, that planet's dead now. Ah! Oh guys, time to come tiny just like I don't know. One slave.
Why is it going like this?
Oh my god! I'm a tiny guy. Tiny person. Oh no, my glow stick! Ah! I can't see! My backpack's inside of me!
I want to eat one. Oh, I got smaller.
I'm tiny, just like
need it smaller.
Oh, those are pretty massive, guys. Oh, we're so tiny! I can't control myself. Oh my god. I'm tiny just like the multi family. No, no, no! Keep saying that. It's massive. No! No, no! No, no! Oh, this is crazy. Never. Oh crap. Hey guys, I think I'm okay. I don't. Ah! The sun pulled me in! I'm still here! I just was so small. Oh my god! Oh! Really, it's so tiny. Oh, radioactive monster. Oh, make me massive just like the little baby. Should I actually collect these? Where's my bag? Yep, I think it's probably in here somewhere. Oh my god, I'm massive just like the little taper baby, guys. So, there's my tiny backpack. Oh, great. What? Why is the iPad so... The sun's pulling me in. Okay. I'm just gonna collect some stuff. Should I collect like tiny or bigger? That's funnier. I'll collect it. Ooh, that. Remember when that used to be the worst thing? That little landmine thing? Oh my god, he's massive just like the low taper fade. He's massive just like the low taper fade. He's massive just like me. He's so big. I'm collecting it. I'm collecting some of the low taper fade. Yeah, okay, bye, neighbor. Bye, Nibber. Oh my god, he's massive, just like... Okay, guys. Yeah, your map's pretty cool, right? But I think in the future update, this planet does get blown up and we can go inside and be like tiny. You know what I mean? That's my theory. That's my theory. Oh my god, I really need to work out to edit this video. You guys need to edit it. I am, to be honest. Because I have no idea how to edit these. Hey, put that in there. Put it in there. Yeah. Let's get. Now wait. I'm gonna fill up in some more radioactive.
I'll bring you a radioactive.
Yeah, I'm. Okay, what? No, wait, Nibber, wait.
Chad? Why do you keep saying Chad?
I said Nibber.
You literally said that like 2 videos.
Yeah, 2 videos ago. I know. like chat. Seriously. Alright, guys. Oh my god. Alright, should be.
We're normal. No, Buzzy, where are you going with me?
I'm just massive, just like rotate.
Get on, mate.
Oh, there's. We've already been to the planetarium. Sorry, you missed the bit. Well, not gonna lie, you kind of missed the bit. Yeah,
You're bigger than me.
Yes, girl, you already told me.
You guys keep coming.
Now what are you guys doing?
Let's go.
Buzzy, where are you?
I'm baiting. I'm going to bunker.
Oh, there you are. You're so tiny.
Why is the spider just like massive, just like the low taper? Wait, can I fight the spider with a massive, just like the low taper?
Me.
Nah, don't kill it.
I killed him.
No!
Without taking any damage.
I don't have to come. I'm massive, just like the low taper face.
Did I? Oh,
there should be another spider down here, guys. With the low taper face.
Where are you? Wait, Buzzy, where are you?
I dropped down to the bottom.
Okay, I'm coming. Whee!
Tiny pickaxe.
okay, I'm here.
I'm just too big, I'm just too massive.
Today's not
My day.
Silver's gold is not mining. You guys also think that? I think it's not mining. Alright, let's go. The gold is not golding. Is this? Hurry up, Nibber! 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 Nibber, eat. Nah, I'm just joking. Nibber! Oh, where is he went? Yeah, I really don't know where he went. Nibber. Oh crap, I think it was me that went the wrong way. That's why. No! Of course. I never go the wrong way. Well, probably I went it south. Nibber!
Whereabouts are you?
No, can you check if Nibber's still on the server? Guys, it had just maybe I can't.
Game crashed.
Oh, his game crashed. Yeah. We can cover the lava map in the next video then.
Wait, are you going to the lava area?
Nah. Let's cover it in a different video. That was the planetarium.
Wait, hold on. Are we going to the lava area?
Do that in the next video maybe.
Oh, fine.
Alright. Also, where's
We have a
Ross
full
MCK?
bag of radioactive.
Ross
coffee. I
MCK,
don't know
come
why
back
I
to the
cracked.
start. Now.
Bro, for crying out loud, I've literally just...
Wait, he just joined.
Right, I'm just getting back.
Wait, where is he right now?
He does not like us, does he?
Bruh, I still have the bag full of radioactive broccoli.
Same. Wait. I'm gonna put it in the slash and see what's like in there. Let's see.
Yeet. Bye.
It feels like
Wait.
Oh,
I thought there would be a glitch in this.
I think that's a pretty good haul, guys. Don't you think?
I'm pretty poor on research points.
Probably put this on my back.
Right,
I am very poor. I'm not eating. Next adventure. Radioactive broccoli.
Do not eat that. That's mine.
Why? I just want to become small.
Yeah, that's what. Do you?
Well, where are we going in our next video?
We could do like another video, like right after this one, to be honest. But I'm gonna have to do this editing on this one. Try, cause like guys, you know, I just started.
Maybe when we're like doing
guy's more
another one of these
experienced.
videos, maybe we should try and like get radioactive broccoli again.
Yeah,
So then we're ready.
yeah, we could.
I
I guess. Or I will. Wait. Yeah, we can.
I'm
go
eating
back.
myself one.
Ross MCK. Guys, we're
Nom,
gonna end the
nom,
video
nom,
soon.
nom, 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 nom.
We don't need Ross MCK. Actually, no, we do.
Bro, I'm literally making my way back.
Hurry.
Okay.
Wait, where's Ross right now?
Oh, hello, Ross.
Hi. Why is he so small?
Let's just go. Come on, Ross MCK. I need to show you something.
Yeah.
Let. Got.
Can I eat it?
Make you tiny. Wait.
Yeah.
The backpack's massive. Just like the look of the family.
Why can't I have one?
You can have one. Oh. He steps on a landmine. Wait. Oh. Get one. Eat one. Jaw.
Well, that was fun.
I'm tiny, just like the low taper fade meme. But no, not like the low
taper
taper fade meme.
again.
Low taper fade meme's massive.
Never again.
I'm too good. Ah! Imagine just exploring.
Wait,
mine.
where are you? Have
Legit.
little gravity. Oh my god, it's fuzzy.
I'm too
Tiny
fast.
Buzzy.
I'm too fast. No.
Hey, Buzzy. Hey, Tiny Buzzy. Have you seen that comment on the like second video of
Yeah,
going
we
to
do.
foundation? Hi. Oh wait, where's my stuff? Oh wait, it's
Bye bye.
I saw.
Hello. They were so tiny. Why is it? Ah! Dang, I was that small. That landmine. That landmine looked like the size of the Burj Khalifa. Where's the green broccoli?
But I will
Oh my god.
try and make another video.
Why do you have so much?
No, don't eat it anymore. You're wasting it. But it's fine. You can eat that one.
Can I have it? No!
Alright, who's at the time?
Why are you small? I
I
need to go get some money. Can I?
Nah!
I got it. Before you. No! It's running away!
Where did they...
Running away! My broccoli ran away!
That's not the broccoli, guys. We need a broccoli. Yeah.
It's
Oh.
size now.
Now, give me it. I'm gonna try and get like super tiny.
I lost that one broccoli in like the top of something. Hold on, I'll go get my hook shot and go get it. Don't look
Maybe
up.
some broccoli like that.
Mine, no, up, it's mine.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm tiny, just like,
I'm coming to get it.
I don't know, something.
It's my broccoli.
I'm tiny! Guys! I can't see! I can't see anything! Glow stick!
I got it
Glow stick's
first.
in my face!
It's mine.
broccoli.
I got it first.
I know.
Nah,
I was
bro.
gonna give it to you. I was gonna give it to you.
Where is it?
Alright,
I
hold
can't
on.
think.
I
Ah!
need to get it.
You guys
Go
are
ahead.
My radioactive
You guys
broccoli.
are
There
massive,
we
just
go.
like the low taper
That's
face.
it.
Danny.
Where's
Danny.
my crap?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, whoa, whoa! Okay, slow gravity. Oh, I'm just him. Never mind. Nah. Whee!
Guys, where are we gonna go now?
Wait, I wonder how much will.
Guys, you want the? I'm gonna make this a long one, so we might go somewhere else.
How much would the radioactive broccoli cost? Like,
Wait, how much
let's
is
try.
it gonna
I'm gonna sell my bag, but let's
sell
not
this?
sell like Buzzy's bag.
Oh, okay. Sell done. Sell. Nibber's back then.
After
I'm a big boy.
Guys, do you think this stuff to respawn?
I'm gonna be a big boy after this one.
Guys, do you think this stuff's gonna be done now?
after I do a quick foundation.
Nah, but you're tiny. Right.
Scott.
This is like what? I forget about the landmines. Like, what happens when I put the landmines? You'll have to put something in there. Wait,
Scott,
what if I go to
die.
ogre? Wait, I'm gonna go to ogre. Guys, I'm gonna go to ogre. Guys, where's the ogre? I'm gonna challenge him. Ogre. Ah.
What happened?
Nah, bro, you Ash. Your Ash can't do anything. Nah, you do no damage. That guy.
Bro, he's running.
Where's he going? Your dumb Ash can't do anything to me. Yeah. Ow, that does some damage. What a dumbass. My crate raw. No, I'm tiny again. Well, sunlight lasted. Wait, there's some more. Oh, I do. Wait. Just put these back in. I'm gonna keep this bag. Okay, guys, I think this might be it for the video. Yeah, probably will be, maybe. Because, to be honest, it's gonna take me forever to edit. Ah. Well, that's not gonna. Guess it's not gonna be the end this time. Yeah, I guess it's not gonna be the end for now. Ah, yeah. Okay, Ross MCK. I'm just faster than him. Never mind. He's on my tail. Oh wait.
Good.
Give me my bag though. My grappler. I need my. I need to go.
Bro, where's my
Yo guys, I'll probably be bringing back a suitcase, so I might lose the radio.
Suitcase has got removed from the game. This guy be living under a rock. Yeah! Bro's about to step on another landmine. Bro! Nah! Nah. Nah, bro, ain't no way.
Yo,
Ain't no
I'm
way.
here. I'm back.
Nah, guys, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Bro, where's my bag?
Scott?
Did you get my bag?
Yeah, don't know where your bag went. No.
No.
Don't know where your bag went.
Full of radioactive broccoli. You've got to be shitting me, bro.
Gonna go get some more?
No, we're not. Because this is going to be it. Oh, yeah, well, here's my grappler. That's good. But still no saying my
Oh,
bag.
thanks, Annie. So we're gonna get some more radioactive. Scott, do you want to get some more
guys,
radioactive?
this is gonna be it for the video. Because this was a long one. Okay.
Off cam, do you
Bro,
wanna
I
go
just
get
went
some
This is gonna be it for the
while you were
video.
gone.
If you want to see more content, Animal Company, like and subscribe button, and then comment down below. And if you want to see more collabs with Nibber, just tell me, and we'll probably will do.